In your college, they are going to start next semester classes from 7 tomorrow. Next semester, next this semester, all studies are over. Yes, some minor points will get edited in question 11 because, as I said, in college they have given slightly different points. So accordingly, I make the corrections, then we'll solve it. Okay. Look at question 11 on page 94. Page number 94, question 11. Do you all try the homework questions?
Yes.
Confident with debenture redemption fund method now? It will be 20 months, so last unit should be full scoring. And you can see on the back side example, every paper it is asked. One question comes, 3-4 questions, 3-4 marks each small questions, and in option you have directly debenture redemption fund of 12-15 marks. Here's look at question 12. The balance sheet of Z Limited disclosed the following on 1/4/2014. 13% debentures account rupees 7 lakh. Debenture redemption fund account, make the amount 517450. I'm making the corrections as per college mandate, okay? 517450. Then 13% debenture redemption fund investment account 5 lakhs as it is. Now add one more account, loss on issue of debentures account, in bracket 15% premium on redemption, in bracket 15% premium on redemption, bracket close, amount 1,05,000. Now one more thing, see here, loss on issues accounts balance is given on 1/4/14. Means it's not written off from security payment. Balance is given means it is not written off from, like you can see 7 lakhs, 15% premium on redemption would be 1,05,000. That much balance is given means it is not written off from security payment. So now we have to write it off from debenture redemption fund. This year I can see in college all examples they have taken, in that they have not given the balance of security premium, means sinking fund examples, this debenture redemption fund. Means that technique what we did yesterday only will have to be followed, most probably. Where loss is to be written off from debenture redemption fund at the end. Okay. Now tell them to get the annual contribution to the debenture redemption fund was rupees 7,000. What is this annual contribution to the debenture redemption fund? What do you mean by this annual? First of all, one more thing. Can you see 4 balances are given? First of all, just 1 minute. These 4 balances are given. Means we don't have to do accounting for all the 4-5 years. Some 2-3 years accounting is already done and opening balances are given to you. Initial first 2 or 3 years accounting is already done and opening balances are given to you in a certain year. We don't have to start accounting in this year from the first year. We have to start accounting in this year from subsequent years. Do you understand this point?
Yes.
Now what do you mean by this annual contribution to the debenture redemption fund was 70,000?
So that's P&L account.
Yes, P&L to debenture redemption fund you have to set aside every year. What amount? 70,000. Did you understand this? You can see table value is not given here like 0.2145, that is not given. Amount is directly given. What amount you have to set aside from profits? 70,000. Then the debenture were redeemable on 31/3/16. Balances are given on which date? So last 2 years accounting is only to be done. 14 to 15 and 15 to 16. Only last 2 years accounting is to be done. Debentures are redeemable on 31/3/16. On 31/3, make it 16. The investments were sold for rupees 7 lakhs and then the debentures were redeemed. Prepare 13%, make it 13% debentures account. Then debenture redemption fund account. Then make it 13% debenture redemption fund investment account. And also insert loss on issue of debentures account. That also we will make. Insert at the end loss on issue of debentures account. So directly we have to make these accounts and we have to do only last 2 years accounting. So half formats. Like normally we did 4 years accounting. This is only last 2 years. So all the format size will become half. Did everyone understand this? Any confusion? So make the formats. Debentures account, as I said, 3 lines per year. 2 years, so 3 into 6 lines. Debenture redemption fund account half page. Investment account half page. Loss on issue of debentures 3 into 2, 6. Okay, pay the full formats. In the books of Z Limited, 13% debentures account. Tomorrow we'll take up the unit 2. This chapter is over soon. Okay. And unit 2 I've already issued the packet of theory, right? We just have to read the theory. Practical questions are almost same, but a different approach is to be adopted for this new standard that we'll see how to do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, very first of all, we need to record the balances. How much is debentures balance? 7 lakh. Debentures have debit balance or credit balance? Credit. Debenture is a liability, it always has credit balance. And debentures we always credit in the beginning. Okay, debentures have credit balance. So 1,414 by balance brought down 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs or 7 lakhs. Then how much is funds balance? 517,450. Then fund will have debit balance or credit balance. Credit, recollect earlier opening balance used to come on credit side only. Okay, recollect the accounting what we have done. Fund also always has credit balance. So 1,414 by balance brought down 517,450. Okay. Investments have debit balance. Okay. 1,414 to balance brought down 5 lakhs. Loss on issue, debit balance. Loss also always debit balance. To balance brought down 1,05,000. Understood that?
Yes.
Now we have to do accounting for that. So directly get to last 2 years accounting. So Arpan, first entry in the last second year.
Interest, bank account debit to interest on debenture redemption fund.
Yes, bank account debit to interest on debenture redemption fund investment. But are we asked to make interest account in this question? No. So that posting will not come. Tell me the next entry.
Transfer entry, the interest on debenture redemption fund account debit to debenture redemption fund account.
Yes.
By
Interest account. Second entry, first entry, bank to interest, but we are not making interest account, so that posting will not come. Second entry, interest account debit to fund account. So in fund account it will come on credit side. 31,315 by interest on debenture redemption fund investment account. By debenture redemption fund investment account. Arpan, how will we count this interest? 13%. In the beginning of investments itself, it's your 13% debenture redemption fund investment. Okay. So 5 lakhs into 13%, 65,000. What is the annual contribution? 70,000. Did you pass this into it? 70,000. Profit and loss to fund. To fund means fund on credit side. 31,315 by profit and loss account 70,000. Did you understand this? Any confusions? Then fourth entry, seventh. Yes, now we'll invest the money. What amount we will invest?
70,000 annual plus interest 65,000.
70 plus 65, what we will invest? 1,35,000. Investment account debit side to bank account 31,315 to bank account in bracket 65,000 plus 70,000 1,35,000. Understood this, everyone?
Yes.
Now the year is over, so we'll do the balancing. Do the balancing, everyone. Last year's accounting, okay? So, Jay, first entry in the last year.
So it will be interest, but it will not be recorded.
Yes, the entry is bank to interest, but we are not making interest account, so that recording will not come. Second,
Transfer of fund. P&L account debit.
transfer of interest to debenture redemption fund. What is the entry? Interest account debit to debenture redemption fund account. To fund means fund account on credit side 31,316 by interest on debenture redemption fund investment account. 6,35,000, 13%. So many days you are absent by?
82,550.
Jay?
So it doesn't follow.
What is this? 82,000?
550.
550. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, sir.
Then, after that, sharp, next entry. Pratna.
Sale of investment.
No. First, we have to set aside the profits.
Profit and loss account related to debenture redemption fund.
Again, we have to set aside the profits. So, profit and loss to debenture redemption fund, credit side by
70,000.
profit and loss account. 70,000 is what we have to set aside every year as per the question, okay? Now, instead of making the investment, we will sell the investments. Pratna,
Bank account debit to debenture redemption fund investment account.
and what amount?
7.
Yes, can you see the last slide of investments are sold for 7 lakhs? So, when we recorded?
Debenture redemption fund investment credit side by now.
Yes, bank account debit to investment account. To investment means investment, it will come on credit side 31,316 by bank account. It is sold for 7 lakhs. Then,
Balance.
yes, balance, what will you do with the investments balance?
Will you credit or debit to P&L?
No,
Debenture
we will transfer it to fund.
What?
Whatever is the balance, we have to again transfer it to fund account.
60.
Here it's a profit.
65,000.
7 lakh minus 6 lakh 35,000 and profit of 65,000.
Yes.
So 31,316 to debenture redemption fund account in bracket profit and balancing figure. Okay, whatever is the balancing figure is transferred to debenture redemption fund account. Do you understand this, everyone?
Yes.
Then where will it come on fund account?
Debit side.
Where will this come in fund account? Opposite side.
Credit.
Credit side 31,316 by debenture redemption fund investment account 65,000. Right, everyone? Then after selling the investments, Agam, first redemption of debentures. After selling the debentures, we'll redeem the debentures. Debentures account debit, premium on redemption to debenture holders. So, Isha posting.
Debenture account debit.
Debentures account debit means debentures on debit side 31,316 to debenture holders account full amount of 7 lakhs. So debenture holders account gets closed. Are we asked to make debenture holders account? No, so only this much. Otherwise in debenture holders we would have written on. Otherwise in debenture holders account we would have
Credit side.
credit side. What we would have written on credit side?
By 14%.
by 13% debentures and also by premium on redemption account. Okay, debentures, premium on redemption to debenture holders. Now, after the redemption payments entry, what is that?
The debenture holder to bank.
Debenture holder to bank, but we are not making debenture holders account, so that posting will not come. Now, before you transfer this debenture redemption fund to general reserve, first we will write off the loss. What is the entry for writing off the loss? Debenture redemption fund account debit to loss. So fund account debit side 31/3/16 loss on issue of debentures account. Amount is 1,05,000 and loss account on credit side by 31/3/16 by debenture redemption fund account 1,05,000. So loss account also gets closed. Understood that, everyone? Then after that, now what next?
Debenture
Face value of debentures will be transferred to general reserve. So what amount will be transferred to general reserve?
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs face value of debentures redeemed. Debenture redemption fund account debit to general reserve account 7 lakhs. You will understand this? Then what do we have to do? Debit side balance remains there. Capital reserve. Credit side there. P&L account. Which side looks more?
So credit side 8,70,000.
8 lakh
70,000.
70,000 minus 8 lakh 5,000.
65,000 difference.
So 65,000 will remain. That will transfer to 31/3/16 to capital reserve account. In bracket balancing figure. Did you understand this, everyone? Okay. So the chapter is over. 2 new points are done in college which I explained it. One is like if you take out the first question, question number 1. We studied that only 5 things are possible. Issue at par, redemption at par. Issue at premium, redemption at par. Issue at discount, redemption at par. Then issue at par, redemption at premium. Then issue at discount, redemption at premium. We said will not have issue at premium, redemption at premium. That is done in college now and it is allowed as per Companies Act 2013. Issue at premium, redemption at premium is allowed. So that one extra point is taken up. Okay? And discuss it and I'll make you write an extra point in that question itself. Like question 1, A, B, C, D is given. You write down E. Write down E. Issued rupees 1 lakh. Issued rupees 1 lakh. 12% debentures. At a premium of 10%. Issued rupees 1 lakh, 12% debentures at a premium of rupees 10%, redeemable at 20% premium. Redeemable at 20% premium. Okay. So, first of all, we'll pass the entry of issue giving one line in between. Bank account debit. Now what amount we will receive is including premium. So 1 lakh plus 10% will receive 1 lakh 10,000. Leaving 1 lakh to 12% debentures account 1 lakh with the face value to security premium account 10,000. Did you all understand this?
Yes, sir.
So there is extra I made you write in question 1 because it's done in college. Now we have to combine the effect of premium on redemption. What entry will pass for combining that?
Loss of issue.
Loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on
Redemption.
redemption account. How much is premium on redemption?
20%.
So 1 lakhs 20%,
20,000.
20,000. Loss and premium will come with 20,000. Did you understand this extra point, everyone? All of you have done it. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm not doing these new examples in the class because all our concepts are same. New points what are taken up, I'm taking it up. But I'll be getting you this pamphlet in a day or so, then you try all these questions and assignments, so it will be a practice again. And this must be full 15 marks in your pocket, okay? Last unit is very scoring. Only one chapter is there in last unit. All other units you have minimum 2 chapters. 4th you have bulk of plenty of chapters. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
See now, question number, don't see, right? Extra question 1, write down, small question it is. This is the last one now, this is a new point done in college. Z Limited issued, Z Limited issued 55,000 shares. 55,000 shares of rupees 10 each at par to redeem rupees 5 lakhs, 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% premium. Journalize. Now see what we are supposed to do here is be editor. For redeeming, it's the simple thing. What is done over here, which method of redemption is followed? Suppose I need to repay rupees 5 lakhs to Jay. What do? I have to repay him 5 lakhs after 5 years. After 5 years, I borrow 5 lakhs from Samarth and repay him the money. Then Samarth again I have to repay, suppose after 7 years, that 5 lakhs. Then I borrow from Pratna, repay to Samarth. This chain will go on then. It's not a good practice. Generally, companies don't follow this. Like here, what the company has done. Company has to repay the debenture holders. So before repaying the debenture holders, company has issued shares. By issuing the shares, will get the money,
Yes,
and from that money, will repay the debentures. So first, we will pass extra entry of issue of shares. Then we will pass the entries of redemption of debentures. Did you understand this? For issue of shares, bank account debit. Now they are issued at par. So bank account debit directly to equity share capital account 55,000 into 10, 5 lakh, 50,000 write it down. Bank account debit to equity share capital account 55,000 into 10, 5 lakh 50,000. Understood that? Now you get 5 lakh 50,000 rupees, so you can redeem the debentures. So now you redeem the debentures. Debentures are rupees 5 lakhs. So which debentures they are?
10%.
12%. So 12% debentures account debit 5 lakhs. Okay, now we'll pass the entry of redemption. 12% debentures account debit 5 lakhs. Premium on redemption account debit 50,000, 10% premium. So 5 lakhs, 10% is 50,000. to debenture holders account 5,50,000. And then we'll make the payment. So debenture holders account debit to bank account 5,50,000. Understood this?
Yes.
All of you? Total will be 16,50,000. So this is how the entries are done. First we pass the entry for issue of shares. With that money what we get, we can repay the debenture holder. That's what I said. You repay one, so you borrow from another. These are the two new points in the college. Issue at premium, redemption at premium. And for redemption of debentures, fresh issue of securities is done. Here, any security can be issued. Like here we have issued, you can issue preference shares also. You can issue new debentures also. So first the entry of new, issue of new debentures will come, then redemption of debentures, then redemption of old debentures will come. Is everyone clear with this? So chapter is over. Unit 4 is over. Unit 2 we had done major part, but we'll see now the new theory and accordingly what changes will be there in practical questions. Okay.